What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have a brand new method for you. You guys have been asking me for one, and I've found one, and I'm gonna take you through step by step on how you can do this method yourself and how you can make money online with this method. The best part about this one, guys, you don't need any money to start. It's really simple to understand, and I know you guys love this one. It's worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can do this particular method. So we're gonna jump into my computer and I'm gonna actually show you exactly how you can do this. I'm gonna show you some estimated earnings so you can go and get started with this yourself and make money online. So smash that like button, guys, for this brand new method. You guys wanted one. Let's jump into my computer and I'll show you exactly how this method works and how you can make money with it. All right, guys, so I'm really excited to bring you this method. What can you expect? I'm going to show you how this works step by step. I'm going to show you how to catch on to this trend. I'm going to show you how to start for free. This won't cost you anything. You don't need a website or an email list, and this works worldwide. I know you guys want stuff that works worldwide. This will work worldwide. Now here are some kind of like results. Now these are just estimates. These aren't actually specific results, but these are some estimations from people that I've found doing this particular method. Now on the lower end, some people making around about $10 all the way up to kind of like $100 per day. Now this is just an estimation. Remember that these are not exact results that I'm showing you because I don't know exactly how much these people are making, but we will talk about that in a second. And on the right here, this is one of the bigger people doing this in the game right now, and they are making quite a significant amount of money based on these estimations. So what I'm going to do now is take you through exactly how this works, how you can do it, and then we'll dive more into the numbers later on in this video. So make sure you stay all the way to the end so you can see the potential of this method. Now this method is awesome because you don't need a website and you don't need an email list. That is something that a lot of you guys don't have. So I understand, and that's why I found this method. All right, so there's a big trend going on right now, and it's called probability comparisons. People are doing videos based on probability comparisons and they're blowing up, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. You don't need to put your face on any videos, and it's quite simple to actually produce these types of videos. Now we're going to actually kind of break down the biggest person in the game right now doing this. And if we go to this guy's channel, his videos are getting millions of views every single week. Now, a probability comparison is when you take a bunch of information from some specific sources and you basically compare things, okay? So here it has 1 in 10 people probability are left-handed. 1 in 25 people probability are sociopaths. 1 in 5 people probability have green eyes. And if we play this video, you'll see it moves. So how do you actually create these? How do you get the information and all that sort of stuff? So first of all, if we go down, you'll see in his videos, he has a thing called sources. Now this is actually it's a bit messy, that one, so we'll go to one of his other videos where he has sources in the description. So all he does is he finds these sources. So here's all the sources, and he finds information on the internet and he simply puts it into a video. He finds probability information. So this one here is what are the odds of dying from? And so this video is about death probability comparisons. And then here is another one, and then here is another one. All he does is he takes that information and he puts it into a video. Now, if you actually look at his stats right here, he's blowing up. He's getting over 20,000 subscribers per day in some cases. He's getting millions and millions of views. Now, I'm not saying this is going to work for everybody, but there are people in this industry right now making money. And it's kind of like the early stages. The trend is only just picking up now. Now, according to these stats, he's making over $100 per day. This guy in particular would be making quite a bit of money per day. And let me kind of show you what kind of money. So based off his video that has 4 million views, the average per 1,000 views that people are making is around about $4 to $10. So if we go based off $2, this video has estimated around about $8,000 based off a $2 CPM. This one here, based off $6, $24,000. Now this is just an estimation, but that's kind of like the range of what this video has possibly made. So there is quite a bit of money to make doing this. But how do you actually get started? How do you actually go and do this? The first step is just go and find sources based on these things, right? So just go on the internet and Google and find information. just kind of replicate what this guy's done. So he will just go into Google and find information based on stuff. But what I want to show is actually how to create the graphics and videos and stuff like that, okay? But as you can see, it's very simple. He has all the sources in here. He uses images that are free on the internet. So if you go to Google and you put in royalty-free images, you can find images to use. And for this example, I found an image right here that I'm going to be using in a second in this tutorial. So first of all, how do we do this? First of all, you need to go start a YouTube channel. That's very simple. You should know how to do that, okay? Second, you want to go to a website called flourish.studio, and you want to sign up to an account. It's free. Just go to sign up, or get started for free right there. Once you're on this website, you want to go to you want to sign in, and in the back end you're going to have a bunch of templates that you can use. Now there's other softwares that can do this, but this is the one that I found that works the best for free. If I scroll down, I want to go to cards, and I want to click on grid or console, but I'm just going to do grid for now because this one works the best. And we're going to create kind of like just a quick animation or a quick grid so we can actually go and do this. Now, once this loads up, it's going to have some content pre-put in it. It'll be, it's a little bit different to what we want to do. On the view mode, you want to put it on console, okay? Now, what we can do, guys, is we can change all the data. Let me show you how to do that, and then you'll see kind of what's going on here. All right, so sorry, I just had to close some tabs. My computer was slowing down. So I'm going to go to the data section, and we're going to change the Apple one, okay? I'm going to go to data, and I'm going to change company name. I'm just going to change this to Green Eyes. So I'm basically going to kind of like just do an example of this one here, okay? This Green Eyes one. And obviously it will take a little bit of work, like you've got to change quite a lot of them, but let me kind of show you how to do it, okay? So Apple, I'm going to change to Green Eyes. Country, probably don't need to worry about that. Let me just go here. I might just take country out, because that's not really going to matter. Now logo, you need to give it a URL. So I found one on Google here. I have a URL. You could also find an image, download it, and upload it to a hosting platform online, and you can get a URL that way. I'm going to go down to here, and I'm going to post this URL in here, and we'll see that it should be changed. Yep, so now it's got the image, and it says Green Eyes. I'm going to go back to data, and I'm going to put in here probability. I don't even know how to spell that, so let me just get it here. Probability. Copy, go back to here, type that into here, probability, and I'm going to do, what was the guy's stats? 1 in 50, okay? But you will go and get your own stats, or whatever, in, 1 in 50. If I go back to preview, it says probability, 1 in 50, okay? And then we can put some facts. So I'm going to change industry to facts. And we'll just put, I don't know, you can put anything. So like the facts would be this here. Famous green-eyed people include Black Widow actress Scarlett Johansson and Duchess of Cambridge, Kate Middleton. I'll just put, I don't know, Franklin Hatchet has green eyes. And so does Bruce Willis. I don't even know if that's spelt right. So Franklin Hatchet has green eyes, and so does Bruce Willis. Preview. So you've got the picture, you've got the green eyes, you've got the probability, 1 in 5, facts, whatever facts you have. Obviously you would have sources that you've found on the internet. Those would be your facts. And then you just repeat the process, guys. It's actually quite simple until you get all the facts that you want. So, for example, this guy has quite a lot of facts, and you'll see that it scrolls over. My internet's just a bit slow at the moment. Yeah, so you'll see that it's scrolling over. So how do you do that? How do you get like the animations and make it kind of like scroll over? Now, I'm not sure what type of program this guy's used, but what I would recommend is a video editing software. So in the description, I'm going to leave a list of my personal ones that I like and I've found. So 21 best free video editing software programs. Now, a lot of these will have what we call a screen capture function. The screen capture function, you will be able to actually put a box over this section here. And once these are all, and then you can push record. And then once all of these are filled out, you can simply just scroll very, very slowly while it's recording. Most screen capture softwares, there's even one called OBS. You simply just, you'll be able to select a section that you can record. So you can select this section here, and you can go out and you can select this section and you can record it, sliding it over. But putting the data in is very simple. You put kind of like the information, so green eyes, you change company name if you want. So I don't think it really mattered here. Yeah, so green eyes, probability, facts, okay? And then you can change the colors, guys. You can change all sorts of information here. You can have autoplay on, so it will scroll automatically while the video is recording. But all you need to do is change the information in this. This would not take long to change all the information. It would obviously take you quite a while to research, so you need to go research the information. But this, guys, is a trend that's happening right now, and I'm not saying it's gonna work for everybody because it won't work for everybody, but you can go and give this a try. This guy's getting millions of views every single week doing this particular method. Now, if you want some more strategies, guys, on how to make money online, I will leave some free videos up on the screen that take you through step by step how to make money online, and they're completely free for you to watch, and I'll leave a playlist. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, guys, smash that like button, and I'll see you on one of the videos on the right.